Hi everyone, I am Fontana Monique. I'm going to be showing you guys how I pluck my frontals. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will get all the video uploads. Check out the description box for the wig information and all the supplies that I'm going to be using in this video. Using your T-pins and fabric pins, lock down the wig. Make sure not to leave any gaps in the lace frontal. Now you want to separate the lace frontal, and you want to separate that lace frontal from the wefts unless it's a full lace wig. I pluck my lace frontals fully dry. It's easier, and you don't want bald spots in your lace front. I'm only going to pluck one side of the wig because the other side and the plucking process is literally the same. So right now I'm just sectioning off one side of the lace frontal into 3 sections. That arrow is showing you where the wefts start, so I'm not going to be plucking too far back. Starting with the first section, I'm going to start by plucking at the hairline. I'm going to be using a comb, T-pins, and tweezers. And all the supplies will be listed for you in the description box. Using the comb, comb out the excess hair that has been tweezed. You want to create a plucking rhythm. Try not to overpluck in a section, and you want to keep the tweezers moving. I think this section at the top is the thickest, so I try to pluck maybe just a little bit more, but not to overpluck in that section. But I like to have the top to lay just a little more flatter than the sides. So this is how it looks now. I could pluck more, but I'm going to stop plucking because I don't have a large area to hide the wefts. This is how it looks wet. Thank you for watching my video. I am Fontana Monique.